Question number 7 given. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. Given points A is equal to 2, -5 and B is equal to -2, 9, and let C is equal to point on x-axis x, 0. By distance formula, AC is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, x minus 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 plus 5 raised to power 2, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equal to under root of x square plus 2 square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 2 plus 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5, 5 square is equal to 5, 5 are 25, equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25. So AC is equal to under root of x square minus 4x plus 29. 25 plus 4, that is equal to 29, and x square minus 4x as it is, 25 plus 4 is 29. AC is equal to x square minus 4x plus 29 with root. And BC by distance formula, we get x minus 2, that is x plus 2 square plus 0 minus 9 square, that is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b plus 9 9s are 81. So BC is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 81. This implies BC is equal to under root of x square plus 4x plus 81 plus 4, that is equal to 85. So value of BC is equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. 81 plus 4 is equal to 85. So AC is equal to BC. This implies under root of AC is here x square minus 4x plus 29 is equal to under root of x square plus 4x plus 85. That is value of BC. AC is equal to x square minus 4x plus 29. We find the value of x squaring both sides. Under root of x square minus 4x plus 29 under root का square is equal to under root of x square plus 4x plus 85 under root का square. Root is cancelled by square. So x square minus 4x plus 29 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. X square is cancelled, but 4x is shifting left side. This implies minus 4x is equal to 85 right side, but 29 shift in right, that is minus 29. So minus 8x is equal to 4x, that is equal to 8x, but minus 4x is equal to negative 8x. 85 minus 29, that is equal to 56. 85 minus 29 is equal to 56. This implies x is equal to minus 56 upon 8, that is minus 7. So x is equal to minus 7. And third point, C point is equal to minus 7, 0. Answer. Given A is equal to 2, minus 5, B is minus 2, 9, C, that is x, 0. The point on the x-axis, then C is equal to x, 0. Find by distance formula, AC is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square with under root a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 5 5s are 25, that is equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25. AC equal to x square minus 4x plus 25 plus 4 is 29. That is value of AC. And by distance formula, BC is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 9 square 81. 81 plus 4 is equal to 85. X square plus 4x as it is, but 81 plus 4 is equal to 85. So AC is equal to BC. We find the value of x. AC is equal to BC, that is in root. Squaring both sides, root and square is cancelled, but x square minus 4x plus 29 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. X square is cancelled, and x term left side minus 4x, that is equal to minus 8x, and in right side 85 minus 29, that is 56. So x is equal to minus 8x is negative, so x equal to negative 56 upon 8. 56 divided by 8, 8 sevens are 56, so we get the value of x is equal to minus 7, and point C, that is minus 7, 0. Answer. Question number 8. Find the value of y for which is equidistance between the points P is equal to P2 minus 3 and Q10, y. Given P is equal to 2, 3, Q is equal to 10, y, and distance equal to 10 units. By distance formula, PQ is equal to under root of 10 minus 2 square plus y minus plus 3 square, and that is equal to 10 units. So 10 is equal to under root of 10 minus 2 is 8, and 8 square plus a plus b whole square can be write a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, and 10 is as it is, but 8 8 are 64 plus y square plus 3 3 are 9 plus 3 2 are 6y. 10 is equal to under root of y square plus 6y plus 73. Squaring both sides, we get 10 square is equal to under root of y square plus 6y plus 73 square. Square root is cancelled. 10 square is equal to 100, that is equal to y square plus 6y plus 73. 100 shifting right side, y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 is equal to 0. Y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. 100 minus 73, that is 27. This implies y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. Its factor of 27y square. 27 can we write 2, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 9y minus 3y is equal to 6y. Y is common, but y plus 9 in bracket. Y plus 9 is bracket. Minus 3 is common, is equal to 0. Y minus 3 and y plus 9 is equal to 0. So y is equal to, y minus 3 equal to 0 means y is equal to positive 3. Y plus 9 equal to 0 means y is equal to negative 9. Answer. Given P is equal to 2 minus 3, Q is equal to 10, comma y. By distance formula, PQ is equal to 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB equal to 10. And y square plus 6y plus 64. 64 plus 9 equal to 73, that is equal to 10. Squaring both sides, we get 10 square equal to y square plus 6y plus 73. So 10 square equal to 100 and y square plus 6y plus 73. Shifting right side 100, that is minus negative 100 equal to 0. 100 minus 73 is equal to minus 27. And splitting middle term, 27 y square, 2 digit 9y minus 3y. 9 3s are 20y, 9 3s are 27y square, and 9y minus 3y is equal to 6y. Splitting middle term, so 9y minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. Taking common y, in bracket y plus 9 same as y plus 9 in bracket and taking 3 common. So y minus 3 is common, y plus 9, that is 1 times common equal to 0. Y minus 3 equal to 0 means y equal to positive 3, and y plus 9 is equal to 0 means y is equal to negative 9. Answer. Question number 9. If Q is equal to 0, 1 is equidistant from P 5 minus 3 and R x comma 6. Find the value of x. Also find the distances QR and PR. P is equal to 5 minus 3. Q is equal to 0 comma 1 and R is equal to x comma 6. By distance formula, QR is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, that is equal to under root of x square plus 6 minus 1 is 5 and 5 square. This implies QR is equal to under root of x square plus 25, and PQ is equal to, by distance formula, 0 minus 5 square plus 1 plus 3 square. This implies PQ is equal to 5 square minus 5 square plus 4 square. This implies 5 5s are 25 plus 4 4s are 16. So PQ is equal to under root of 41. 25 plus 16, that is value of PQ is equal to under root of 41. So PQ is equal to QR. QR is equal to PQ, that is x square plus 25 under root is equal to under root of 41. Squaring both sides, that is x square plus 25 under root square is equal to 41 root square. Square is cancelled. So x square plus 25 is equal to 41. This implies x square is equal to 41 minus 25. X square is equal to 16 and x is equal to plus minus 4. We get the value of x is positive negative 4. We find the value of PR and QR. QR is equal to under root of x is 4, 41 and PR is equal to, by distance formula, x minus 5 square plus 6 plus 3 square, that is equal to under root of x minus 5 raised to power 2 plus 81. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 square is equal to 81. So when x is equal to 4, then PR is equal to under root of 4 minus 5 raised to power 2 plus 81. This implies under root of 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 square is 1 plus 81. This implies PR is equal to under root of 82. And when x is equal to negative 4, then PR is equal to under root of minus 4 minus 5 square is equal to under root of minus 4 minus 5 raised to power 2 plus 81. This implies 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 9s are 81 plus 81, that is equal to under root of 162. And under root of 162 can be written as 2 into 9 into 9. This implies PR is equal to 9 root 2. 9 9s are 81, 2s are 62. So PR is equal to 9 root 2. Given P is equal to 5 minus 3, Q is equal to 0, 1 and PR is equal to x and 6. By distance formula, QR is equal to x minus 0 square plus 6 minus 1 square. X square plus 5 square is equal to 5 5s are 25. So QR is equal to x square plus 25. And PQ is by distance formula PQ 0 minus 5 square plus 1 plus 3 square is equal to 5 5s are 25 plus 4 4s are 16. PQ is equal to QR. So QR is equal to under root of 41. PQ is equal to QR. Squaring both sides, we get the value of x is equal to positive and negative 4. B put the value of positive 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 25, that is equal to 41 root. So PQ is equal to QR equal to 41, and we find the value of PR when x is equal to 4, then PR equal to 4 minus 5 square plus 81, that is 81 plus 1 is 82. And when x is equal to negative 4, then we get the value of PR minus 4, put here minus 4 minus 5 square 81, 9 square, that is 81 plus 81 162, and factorization of 162 is 9 9s are 81, 81 2s are 162. So 9 is taking common, PR is equal to 9 root 2 answer. Question number 10. Find the relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the point 3 6 and minus 3 4. Given point A is equal to 3 6 and V is equal to minus 3 comma 4. So C points, that is x comma y, which are equidistant. So by distance formula, AC is equal to under root of x minus 3 whole square, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equal to under root of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, 2ab, and y minus 6 whole square, that is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into y into 6. This implies x square plus 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are minus 6x plus y square plus 36, 6 6 are 36, and 6 2s are minus 12y. And BC is equal to x plus 3 raised to power 2 plus y minus 4 raised to power 2 is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b plus a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, that is equal to x square plus 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6x plus y square plus 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8y. So BC is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. And AC is equal to BC. This implies AC is here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 12y, or 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. That is equal to BC is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 25. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 12y plus 45 is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 25 square. Squaring both sides, square root is cancelled and we get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 12y plus 45 is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 25. X square cancel, y square is also cancel, and 6x shifting right side. 6x is positive and this is negative, so it gives positive value in right side, plus 6x minus 8y, and it's minus 12y. Minus 12y shift right side, that is positive 12y, and plus 25, and shifting 45 right side, negative 45 equal to 0. 6x plus 6x, that is equal to 12x. 12 minus 8 is equal to 12 minus 8 equal to 4y, that is positive 4y, and 45 minus 25 is equal to 20, negative 20 equal to 0. Taking common 4 is taking common, that is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, and 4 is equal to 0 means 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, 6, B is equal to minus 3, 4, C is equal to x and y. By distance formula, AC is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square. Same formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6x minus y square, 6 6 are 36, and 6 2s are minus 12y. So BC, same process, BC by distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 4 4s are 16 minus 8x, 4 2s are 8y, and BC is equal to x square plus y square plus 8x minus 8y plus 25, and AC is equal to BC. Squaring both sides, we get root square is cancelled, but x square plus y square minus 6x minus 12y plus 45 left side equal to x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 25. X square is cancelled, and y square is also cancelled. Minus 6x, x shifting right side, that is positive 6x, 12y shifting right side, negative to positive 12y, and 25 as it is, but 45 shifting right side, that is minus 45 is equal to 0. 6x plus 6x, that is 12x, and 12y minus 8y is equal to positive 4y. 45 minus 25, that is 20, but 45 is negative sign, so minus 20 is equal to 0. Taking 4 common in this equation, 4 is taking common, and in bracket 3 4s are 12, 4 into y 4y, 4 5s are 20. 4 is common and we get 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Answer. Thank you so much.